Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how we gave our master bedroom a bit of a makeover, and I'm going to give you a tour of our bedroom. Here's a little video clip of what the bedroom looked like before. And then we ripped out the carpets, we rearranged the furniture, and now this is what it looks like afterwards. So now I'm going to give you a tour of our master bedroom. When you first walk into our bedroom, the first thing that you see is the bed. This is probably the most significant change. The bed used to be over here, as you saw in the previous video, and now I have it underneath the window. And I like this a lot more because I really feel like that it opens the room up and gives a lot more space in here. And our bedroom furniture, the bed, the side tables, and our dresser over here was all from an online furniture store, and I cannot remember what the online furniture store was called, but we got it over 5 years ago, so you probably can't get it anymore anyway. We love the new carpet that we put in here. Can't remember the name of this carpet, but we got it at Lowe's and it's super soft and squishy and thick. This white plush rug at the foot of the bed, this was from Ross, and they usually have a lot of these white plush rugs for an affordable price. And this rug has like a memory foam padding on the bottom of it, so it feels really good on your bare feet. This blanket here at the foot of the bed was also from Ross, and the comforter set and pillows were all from Marshall's. I want to get a new comforter with pillows, but I just haven't found something that I really like yet. And the black lamps that are on both of the side tables, those came as a set from Walmart, but they didn't come with the white shades. They came with like a brown shade. So I got these ones also from Walmart. I really like the design that's on them. The material is like bunched up on them. And they still have these at Walmart. I just saw these recently there, so you can still get them. Down here, this is my husband's side table. We just have his Bible, and then I have that little fake greenery back there. And then I have one of our engagement pictures in that little heart frame. That heart frame I got years ago from Target, and the little greenery in the pot is from Marshall's. I love these two white mirrors that I just recently got from Marshall's. I've got one over here on this side of the window, and there's one over on that side of the window as well. And they were normally $30, but I found these in the clearance aisle for only $12 a piece. I love them. I think they make a great addition to the room. These curtains that I have on the window, they're like a dark gray. I think they're coming up kind of purple in the camera, but they're actually like a dark gray. And they are a blackout curtain. I had to do a blackout curtain in here because the sun shines in this window so bright that if you want to sleep in the morning, you just can't hardly sleep in just because the sun shines in so bright. It's also nice to have the blackout curtains in here because during the summertime it would get really hot in here if you didn't have the blackout curtains to block out the light. And right now I have the blinds open behind them just to let in a little bit of light, but if the blinds are shut, then it's really dark in here. And these curtains are from Target. I don't think I said that. They were really affordable. Over on the other side, I've got another one of those mirrors, another one of these lamps with that white lampshade, and then I just have our alarm clock. I also have my oil diffuser over here from House Smile. Right now I'm diffusing some orange essential oil from the Grove Collaborative website. This oil smells so incredibly good. This whole room smells like oranges. So that is it for this side of the bedroom. Now we'll move over to this wall. I have nothing on this wall. It is just a big blank wall because I couldn't decide for a long time what I wanted to do over here. This custom sticker on the wall, we used to have this above the bed because the bed used to be on this wall. My husband got that, I can't remember which website he got that off of. He got that for me like 5 years ago. But I think what I've decided to do on this wall is maybe to get some big canvases printed out to put underneath of that little sticker on the wall. That's probably what I'll end up doing, just like 3 big canvases underneath of there. Over on this wall through that door right there is our bathroom, and if you want to see a tour of our bathroom and how I gave it a makeover, I will link that video down below. I have this sign up here that I've had for forever. This was from Marshall's. It says love you more. Then we have got our dresser over here on this wall. I just strung these little like twinkly lights here above the mirror. These are battery operated. And over here to the right I have this floral arrangement of fake flowers, and these are actually all from our wedding. We used fake flowers in our wedding for decorating. This silver S that I have stuck in here, this was the cake topper for our wedding cake. And then right here I have a picture of us in Maui, Hawaii, and then I have one of our shell Leias hanging on there. And then this little love sign, I got this probably like 6 years ago from Hobby Lobby. And I can't remember where I got this picture frame at. It might have been Walmart, I can't remember. The Shell Leia is from Maui, Hawaii, so if you want one of those, you're gonna have to go to Maui to get it. Currently have this candle in here. I always like to have one big candle in here to burn, and this one is Fresh Cut Lilacs from Bath & Body Works. This one smells really good. I got this a while back. And then this sign that says, "You are my happily ever after." This was from Hobby Lobby. This is from the Willow Tree collection, and my husband just keeps his wedding ring sitting right on top of there because he wears a silicone wedding band for work. So this is my jewelry box. My husband got me this jewelry box for Christmas like 2 years ago, I think. My clothes fill up these 3 drawers and this third bottom drawer over here. And my husband only uses these 2 drawers right here. But yeah, I think that's how it usually goes. Then the last wall over here is our closet. And the closet has 2 separate doors, but it's all one closet. The closet starts from this wall right here, and it goes all the way over to this door over here. It'd be nice to have a walk-in closet, but this works. There's a ton of space in there. This is my husband's side, and then this is mine over here. My clothes come pretty far over into his side. And I added these blue glass doorknobs on here. These were from Hobby Lobby. And then this beautiful floor length mirror, I just recently got this like a week ago at Home Goods. I've been wanting to get one for this spot for forever, and I finally found one that I liked at Home Goods. If you're looking for large mirrors, definitely go to Home Goods. They have a ton of them and they're a very affordable price. Right now we just have this leaning up against the wall, but we don't want to leave it leaning against the wall. We want to hang it up on the wall, but it's a super heavy mirror, so I'm going to have my husband help me hang it on the wall because I want to be sure that it gets secured to the wall really good and tight just because it's so heavy, so we still need to do that. Here is a close-up look at the design on the edge of the mirror. Lastly, the wall color in here, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I will go and find it and then I will put it down in the description box for you guys. So that is it for our master bedroom tour. If you enjoy seeing room tours, then give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.